So what I did for weight distribution, I actually weighed almost every piece of scenery that we have in here. And then I weighed the modules, the actual units that we put them on, which are made out of steel, determine where the weight's gonna go. So the heaviest goes in the CG. So I measured the truck, the trailer, know that that's the center, that's where I put that part. But everything, the light weighted stuff is on the sides and on the top. Everything heavy is from the bottom up. And then in the center is the heaviest. So then, like this is actually light, it's just big. But it has to be loaded after. So then you turn this a certain way. And through the magic of bungee cords, you bungee everything together.
Everything fits. All right.
That, oh!
How long have you guys known each other?
Oh my God. Mac is still alive? Yeah, it's been a long time.
Oh, gee.
Have a good road trip.
Hey, you like that magnets on the trailer, huh?
Woo,
Like
fancy. Fancy.
Guy.